Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6'9" from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the number 6. So we're going to start with the eye. We're going to start with a nice big circle on the left-hand side. Let's frame in that pupil. Starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this around, tucking that back in on the bottom. Let's move up. Let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of our pupil black. Let's draw on the number 6. On the top, we're going to draw on a diagonal line coming out, pulling that across. Now from here, we're going to extend that back down. Let's pull this through towards the center. Let's tuck this back up. We're going to bring this line across towards the middle, tucking that back in towards the top. Let's extend this line over towards the left, bringing that down and through. We'll replicate that again one more time, bringing this down and over. On the side, let's curve this slightly as we come down towards the bottom. Let's bring this back in and then back down. We're going to flatten that out with a diagonal line on the bottom. Let's curve this line up. Now from here, we're going to round out the side, curving that over and through towards the top. Let's bring this line in and then back up. Stepping that across and through. And then one last time, just bringing that out. Now for that 3D pattern on the top, we're just going to add in 2 straight lines coming out, finishing that off with a straight line on the side. Let's step up, pulling this line over and then back down. Moving through on the top, just a small straight line. Let's come out. We're going to draw this straight line coming out and down. We'll do the same as we follow through underneath, on the side, to the right, a straight line coming out. Now from here, we're just going to curve this down, tucking that in, and then again, one last time, just curving that across. Let's draw on the center of that number 6. So on the top, extending that out and down. Again, pulling that through on the side, and then we're just going to straighten that out. We're going to tuck this line in, pulling that back down. We'll extend this through on the left-hand side again. We'll bring this back up on the side. We're going to bring this out and then back up. Let's add in that 3D effect from the edge here, pulling that out and down. And then to the left, straightening that out. Now underneath for the leg, we're going to curve this line out, bending that slightly, pulling that down. We'll do the exact same thing on the inside. Let's close this off with a curved line. Stepping up, drawing in another curved line, and then one more time up above. Let's draw on the shoe. On the back, curving this in, and then we're going to flatten that out. Let's curve this line across to the left, rounding that out on the top. To the left of this, bringing this up and in. And then now just curving that across for the sole of the shoe. Let's come over on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this out and across. For the arm, bending this down, tucking that back in. Now for the hand, stepping in towards the middle, we're going to curve this over, connecting that, pulling that out, and then closing off the finger, just continuing to drag this across, pulling that back through. Let's step in again in the center, curving that out and in. One more time for that pointer finger. For the thumb, stepping up, we're going to curve this line out, and then we're going to extend this line up, pulling this back down towards that edge. Now for the number 9, we're going to come across on the right, drawing in a circle for that right eye. Let's move over towards the inside. We're just going to curve this across, pulling that down for the pupil. On the top, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. Now let's color in our eye black. Let's draw in the center. So we're just going to draw a small diagonal line coming out. We're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to tuck that back in. On the top again, just extending that across. Let's draw on the rest of the number 9. So coming up, we're going to draw a diagonal line across. We'll start on the inside first. We'll pull this line down and through. And then again, pulling this down and over. Let's extend this down towards the bottom, pulling that back in. One more time, pulling this down and through. We'll extend this down and over. Let's kind of curve this as we come down to the bottom. We're going to pull this out, tucking that up. We'll bring this back in again and back up to the top. And then we'll extend this out. Now from here, let's flatten this out on the side, pulling that down and in. Again, bringing this down and over. We're going to pull this up to the top, extending this out. And again, pulling that up and through. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line up to the top. Let's close this off on the side. We're going to bring this down and across. And then one more time, bringing this down and through, connecting that together. Let's add in the 3D effect underneath. So on the inside, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We're going to pull this down. We'll do the exact same thing on the top, extending this out and then back up. Again, out and up. And then out and up. Now for the arm, we're going to curve this out. So we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out. We're going to arch this over. Now for the wrist, stepping down, curving this over, across, and then back through. Now for that finger in the center, we're going to curve this around, down, and then in. In the middle, curving this around and then back up. One more time, curving this over and through. For the thumb, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. And then we're going to arch this around and down in the center. Let's curve a small line right in the palm. Now for the leg, we're going to come down, drawing 2 diagonal lines, ending that at the same height. And then we'll close that off with a curved line. Let's move up. We're going to draw 2 more curved lines. Now for the foot, we're going to extend that out, pulling that down towards the bottom. We're going to end this at the same height as that inside corner. Let's curve our shoe across, rounding that out on the top, pulling that back in. Now from here, we're going to bring this up and through towards the middle, and then closing off the sole of the shoe, we're just going to arch that over. And that is it. That's your Just 6'9" from Steel at Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.